Just wanted to introduce Dr. Foley and let everyone know that she is kind of the one that spearheaded this partnership, and we just want to really thank you for reaching out to us and having us here to establish this. So without further ado, this is Dr. Foley. I'm just going to let her say a few words.
Good morning. So on behalf of Clayton County Public Schools, we're excited to partner with the Georgia Commute to bring ride-sharing alternatives to our teachers, our faculty, our students, and our staff. What a great opportunity for us to build on the things that we already have in place in Clayton County Public Schools to provide for the students and employees of our district, to ensure a safe, secure learning and work environment. We want to continue to promote student achievement and to also build strong relationships with stakeholders and community partners. Thanks to everyone, the people that represent Clayton County. Thank you to the community for being here and for supporting our efforts. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Kara Vajdani with Georgia Commute Options, and we're so grateful and excited to be here today and to kick off your program. I want to thank Dr. Foley for your strong support for the program and bringing it here. I know you guys are probably aware, but you guys are a leader in this field. You are the first in the region as a school district to adopt the program as a full school district, and also the second in the nation. So that's a huge accomplishment, and you're bringing this program to improve the quality of life for your staff, your teachers, your students, but you're also making a huge impact on the community as well by helping folks develop rideshare partnerships, not only with your staff, but also with the parents of your students, being able to form carpools and to reduce the number of vehicles you have traveling through your schools every day. That improves the safety for your students and the quality of life here at the school. So you all are to be commended for that. Also want to thank the business community for your support for the program as well, the Chamber for being out here today. Thank you so much for your support. We also want to thank School Superintendent Dr. Jackson for supporting the program as well. And then also the folks that we've worked with to get this kickoff settled today, and that's Jada Dawkins and Ron Shields. Thank you so much for your help. Also, Principal Farmer, thank you for hosting us here today and for your support for the program. And also want to thank, we've got the Georgia Conservancy here today. They're also a strong partner for us, and she's going to be speaking to you in one moment, so we want to thank her for also supporting the program. And last but certainly not least, I want to recognize our folks from the Georgia Department of Transportation. They are the owners of the Georgia Commute Options program and are the advocates for clean commuting in this region. Phil Peavy and Dan Dolder, they've just done so much to expand this program and to support the schools program. So we're really excited to bring everybody together to partner here today. And we're excited to get the kickoff started, to form those carpools, to get the students learning about the importance of clean commuting and the impact that has on them, their lives, and the community, and hopefully raise some future clean commuters. So thank you so much. We're excited to be here today, and I look forward to kicking off the partnership. And now I'm going to welcome Ms. Catherine Moore to speak to us from the Georgia Conservancy.
Good morning. I'm Catherine Moore with the Georgia Conservancy. I direct our statewide sustainable growth program, and it's really a pleasure to be here this morning. And I'm going to repeat some points that have been made, but I think they're worth repeating. We'd like to celebrate and recognize leadership today. A huge thank you to the Georgia Department of Transportation for recognizing it's not just about moving people, but the quality of our environment and the quality of our communities and the quality of that experience. I'd like to recognize this entire school system for realizing there's not just a school that could benefit for this program, but the entire system, the neighborhoods around the schools, and that includes individuals as well as businesses. We all know that school location choices have ripple effects throughout our environment. They impact property values, they impact commute experiences for all, and certainly they impact the children and staff attending those schools on a daily basis for the majority of the year. How do we make that experience better economically, environmentally, and certainly for the neighborhoods, and again, that general quality of life? So I'd like to recognize that leadership, to say that this is the first in the region and the second in the nation is worth repeating often and loudly. As a representative of a statewide organization that's been working on school-related issues for 5 years, I look forward to telling your story across the state and lifting you up as a role model for others to follow. And in closing, what better place to have this conversation about community impact, environmental impact, and public health impacts but in schools, where we're going to inform young people to make better choices as they go out throughout their life. And that is another ripple effect that I hope that we'll all benefit from next year, 5 years from now, and 20 years from now, because these are our future leaders, to end where I began. So I'm excited to be here. You all did the hard work, but I would love to tell your story, and I will be telling your story. Thank you so much.